Welcome back to West Mountain Motorsports. Today's episode we got two new projects. Can you believe it? We've got this 1983 Beechcraft. I don't know what the model is. It's just a Beechcraft boat. It's like an 18-foot. Picked it up for $700. Reason is, pretty sure the guy set it through a rod through the oil pan. So it has the exact same motor that our other boat had when we picked it up. We're gonna just grab the motor out of that one and throw into this one because this one's a hell of a lot nicer. That one's 1983 as well. It's a Galaxy manufacturer. That's the manufacturer of the boat. They have the exact same outdrive, except the tilt on this one actually works. We were unable to fix the tilt on the other one, so we're just gonna fix this one. So the guy said he put a new prop on it. He redid the bellows for the exhaust and water pickup and whatnot. So right now you can see it's dripping oil. I opened up the plug to get all that crap out of there. I'm gonna have to grab like the hose or something and hop up in there, fold that engine cover forward, and then just start spraying water in there because I gotta get all that oil out of the bottom of it. I don't want that sitting in there. But yeah, other than that, I think it should run a lot better than the other boat. It's a little wider and I think taller as well, so it should take the waves better. I like how this is fiberglass and not wood like the other boat has. The other boat has a wood platform. I don't really like that. So I'm excited. This thing's gonna rip. And then on the other one, our bottom of our outdrive was chopped. I think they probably hit something with it, so this one's still intact. Looks like someone tried painting it up here. Doesn't do anything. Really, it's just a cosmetic thing, so it shouldn't affect it all too much. But yeah, I'm excited. Speedometer works, the guy said. I'll probably buy some stuff so me and Brock can buff it out. But the gel coat is in way better condition as well. I mean, there's still cracks here and there, but our other boat has cracks everywhere. It has brand new carpet, those nice leather seats I just barely showed you. The gauges work from what I can tell. So, and that also has like pretty much brand new tires. They're like a year old. And really, if I wanted to, I think I could grab those other ones. I don't know what tires I had on those. I'll probably just leave them actually. We can paint these at a later date if we really want to. I probably do need to go through, grease all the axles and whatnot. It's got a new pulley system on the front. The guy gave me a bunch of tie downs. It's got a brand new spare as well. Yeah, so him and his family reupholstered the whole thing. Besides, the gray stuff's OEM. However, they did wrap those blue, I don't know what you call them, just little sections. They wrapped a little blue section of vinyl around the seats to give it some character. The trailer's really nice too. It does have brake lines, however they are cut. So yeah, I'm really stoked about this one. This is a lot better condition than the other boat I purchased, and I only paid $250 more for this boat, which I realizing now that other boat was kind of a ripoff. So yeah, I'm excited. This thing's even got speakers set up. Yeah, this is just all around a way better boat. I'll show you what the plans are. Here, I'll just hop up here and open up the entire engine cowl. He made custom boxes for it and everything for these seats right here. It's all custom. Has rain fly that goes on the these outskirt buttons to cover this whole back piece if I wanted to. Probably won't use them, but yeah. So it has the exact same 5.7 liter. He said it was a 305, but I'm pretty sure it's a 350 because this is the exact same motor that came out of our Galaxy boat. However, this one didn't crack. He set it through a rod. I don't know how legitimate that is. I mean, there's a bunch of oil down there, so I assume he's right. Yeah, so honestly, all we have to do is pull these exhausts off, undo the mounts from the base right down there, and undo it from the bell housing, rip all the electrical off, We likely will have to swap the distributor. We have the distributor off the other one, which is, it's got the CDI, or the what do you call it? The coil's built into the top of the distributor, so we're gonna have to wire it up to this same situation, which shouldn't be hard. Brock's pretty good at wiring, so he can probably figure that out. But yeah, we have extra parts now. If any of the parts fell on our motor, we can just swap them over with this. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. A lot of the parts look new, and it's way better built. And Beechcraft is a nice known brand. They make airplanes and whatnot, so I'm likely just gonna keep it on this, use it as a fishing boat, and just keep this extra motor, I guess, for spare parts in case we need some while we're swapping. So that's that. And I'll show you how the other boat looks right now. The reason I got this is, and didn't want to fix up the other one, is the other one's got no interior. This has got a complete interior, and so I'm likely just gonna get rid of the other boat after I pull the outdrive and whatnot off. I don't know, maybe someone will want it for like 300 bucks or something. It still floats and whatnot, so who knows. But this is just a lot less work for us, better platform to work off of. Let's hop out. We did put a lot of time and energy into this one, but there's a bunch of little problems with it. It does have these trim tabs, which is pretty cool. And the one of the big problems is the outdrive does not have tilt on it. So we've dinged this propeller up pretty good. You can see that down there. So this thing, it does 41 as it sits right now. 41 miles an hour, even with that dinged up prop. I've got the cover on, so here's how she sits right now. You can see there's no carpet, no side paneling. I bought those seats for like 80 bucks. Brock's gone through and done custom stuff to it. So here's that distributor I was talking about, where the coil's built into the top of it. So we're going to switch some stuff over, and then he's probably got to redo the throttle cable on this one. But I'm excited. We're going to be able to get this exact same setup going on the other boat, which is pretty dope. We'll have extra parts if need be. But yeah. So let us know if you want to see more of the boat projects. I'm probably going to put out content on them anyway, because that's my type of thing. And I'll go ahead and show you the other. I'll show you the other project we got. It's not necessarily ours, it's my cousin's. But, well, you'll see plenty of it on the channel, though, I can almost guarantee. It's a 19... I'm not even gonna guess. It's a Datsun 720 truck, I believe. But it's been swapped with a Chevy 4-point... I want to say, I don't even know. I'm not even gonna guess either on that. It's a Chevy V6 from a like a S10 or something. It's pretty cool. It's off-road built, so it's got cage and everything. Brock spent a bunch of time cleaning it up. Here it is. Look at all that paint work Brock's done to it. It's a pretty dope little rig. The only problem with it is it's not going into gear, or not driving, I guess. It'll go into gear, it just won't move. Nice little hood scoop. I'm pretty sure it's functional. Well, there's holes in the hood right in there, so I'm assuming it's functional. I don't know the exact specifications on this thing. I don't know if they just took the body off of an old Chevy S10, or like took the body off the Chevy S10 and they just put the 720 truck body on the frame, or what they did. But it's a 720 truck, I believe. Here's the interior. It's got all race car gauges, and it's an automatic. I believe it's just the original Chevy automatic. I don't know what that is, or half the stuff does, but it's a pretty cool little truck. Should be a good project. Let's see, where's the hood pin, hood pole thing? Is this it? No, that's probably for a gauge. I don't know. We'll show you one day when Brock's here. I don't know anything about this thing. I haven't really paid 2 cents to it, so. But yeah, it's a little Baja rig. And you'll probably see videos on this thing too. If you want, let us know in the comments what you want to see. And then Brock's also got his Datsun 240Z that he's barely touched. So. McLean's 240Z's done. This is McLean's truck, by the way. McLean's 240Z's done. It's the blue one you've seen on the channel plenty of times. It's got the L28 swap. So, yeah. One day. Plenty of time for all these projects, but I think boat's #1 priority at this point. Brock's probably pretty excited about that. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. You just kind of got to let me know what kind of content you want to see. We're probably just going to knock this boat out here in the next like weekend or something, because I'm pretty hyped about this. This is for $250 more than what I paid for that hunk of junk over there. I got a fully intact interior and working outdrive. The guy said he took it to the lake for the day. He's been restoring it for like 2 years. Took it to the lake for the day and it threw a rod, so he's just like, I want to get rid of it. I'm done. So yeah, that's how that goes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a quick update on what's going on with all the projects we got. And like I said, let us know in the comments if you want to see anything in particular. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.